Convertible, unheard of. Unheard of. And they are dissecting the Shelby over there. Look at that. Yeah? You know what I mean, guys? I'm really trying not to get too excited. I'm trying to stay calm. Excuse me. Well, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. All right. I haven't shown you the tail end. Let me bring it around to the tail end. Look, see patina? See the patina on the rims? Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
But you see how the black comes down there.
Yep.
Excuse me. Look at that. Oh, sorry for the shaking, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. All right, there it is. An original Shelby GT500 convertible. All original. Original paint. Original everything. Can you tell them a side about being original?